Welcome to Chemistry with Dr. Z. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between complete and incomplete combustion. So what is complete combustion? Complete combustion is the burning of fuel in presence of excess oxygen. So in presence of excess oxygen, fuel will burn and will give you only carbon dioxide and water. We said that this is an exothermic reaction that will produce heat as well, and the heat produced here is used for as a source of energy. This is why we use the hydrocarbons as fuel. So what is incomplete combustion? And if there isn't enough oxygen or in the absence of enough oxygen, when the hydrocarbon burn, they don't burn completely. They only burn partially, and instead of producing only carbon dioxide and water, they start to produce carbon monoxide and other fine particles which are called soot or carbon. So this is called incomplete combustion. And this is an equation for incomplete combustion of propane. So propane in presence of oxygen, which is not enough, will give you carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, water, heat, and also some of these reactions can give, or some of the incomplete combustion can give you also carbon or soot at one of the end products. So combustion and carbon monoxide. So what could be the source of carbon monoxide and why carbon monoxide is a dangerous gas? So the products formed when hydrocarbon is burned in gas appliances for either domestic appliances or industrial are water vapor and carbon dioxide and heat, and usually there is a very small amount of carbon monoxide. So if these appliances are installed and maintained correctly, the operation of the gas appliances will provide quick and efficient heating, cooking, hot water, and more, and the product of combustion will not create any hazardous situation. However, if the appliances is incorrectly installed and maintained, and then the product of combustion may be dangerous because now there might be incomplete combustion and there will be a release of carbon monoxide. So what is the problem with carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is a gas that cannot be seen, that doesn't have any smell, you can't hear it, and you can uh, um, the only way that you can detect it is to use carbon monoxide detector. The problem with carbon monoxide is that carbon monoxide will bind to the blood cells stronger than the binding of the oxygen. So it will prevent the blood cells from binding to oxygen. So this is why the signs of carbon dioxide poisoning, you're going to see there is headache, nausea, dizziness, and there will be collapse and loss of consciousness at the end. The main reason for that is that the red blood cells cannot carry oxygen anymore, and it will instead carry the carbon monoxide. So it's a silent killer. This is why we need to maintain all the appliances and install it correctly, and we need also to use the carbon monoxide detectors in homes.